Hello and welcome to our AI engineering crash course. In this video, we'll just talk about AI agents in general, and I will give you a conclusion of the global AI agents module. Okay. So before this video, we talk about AI engineering in general, prompting, different APIs and different hosting methods for LLMs. We also talk about retrieval augmented generation. So this is the 5th module of our AI engineering crash course. If you haven't watched this whole series, I'll put the link to the playlist in the description. And yeah, in this 5th module, in this 5th module, we went through AI agents in general. We talked about true AI, LangGraph, and AutoGen, but we didn't talk about Swarm. Why? OpenAI Swarm is a new framework built by OpenAI. At this date, it's still in beta, and it's not that special as a framework. So it's special in terms of maybe how it works, but it's not completely different in terms of structure or architecture. And also AutoGen 0.2 already integrate this swarm mechanism, so you can build the same logic with AutoGen without having to use the OpenAI Swarm framework. So it's just unstable, and it doesn't make sense to put it in this course here. Apart from that, I wanted to just give you a global overview about AI agents, because so far we saw how agents can be interesting, how you can build them, what are AI agents, and the different frameworks that simplify the process for you. But now building AI agents projects can be quite challenging, especially when you want to go with this project in production. Having a stable AI agency is really hard. You may have some proof of concept that are really good, but having a stable AI agency is really, really hard at the moment. So maybe in the future it will be easier. Using these frameworks is good, but you need to be monitoring your cost and making sure that you don't have infinite loops in there, AI agents talking for complete days and burning tokens. And you also need to make sure that security is it's considered, because when you start adding tools to your workflow, you may end up having file manipulation on your operating system, and it may delete important files. You may end up having AI being able to execute specific code on your computer that may harm either your computer or your whole network. So you need to be careful about that, and always run an AI agent that execute code or make direct call in some kind of sample environment until you're sure that the call will always be contained. Okay. So, and apart from that, I think it's one of the most exciting things about AI right now, and maybe in the future as well. So you'll be able to automate whole process or whole jobs or whole department with AI agents in the future, I think. But so learning it right now is quite important. I will be putting in a description a lot of resources. So if you have any question, don't forget to put them in the comment section below. Yeah, if you like the whole series so far, just drop a like to the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, I forgot to mention that concerning the project, we will have a series of projects on the channel, and this project will be related to our AI engineering crash course. So the concept that you will be learning now, we'll be applying it on the channel with a really long series of product that we'll be building using this AI agent. So it will be a real product. So it will take time to build. That's the reason why I didn't put project directly into the course, because it will make the course really long. So just to say that on the channel, we will be building extremely long videos, going through the process of building real production ready AI apps. And also we did some sample small video with LangGraph already, building an AI sales automation platform. You can find the video on the channel. And here we'll be doing much more advanced videos. So don't forget to subscribe to learn how to build effective AI applications. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.